Alright, I know it's been a while since I've last posted on here, but, especially on, like, NanamiOS, because I haven't been working on it for a few months, as in, I haven't touched it in, like, 6 months at a time, but I just made a big discovery, so I've had problems loading it on, PS2 equipment, and I had problems with USB mouse. So, apparently, I mean, I've got the ThinkSer M58 that you may not know here. Spoiler alert. And, well, yeah, so... This is a USB keyboard. This is a Dell USB keyboard. As you can see, no PS2. It's only the VGA cable and the keyboard. As you can see, it works. Well, you can see that this... I mean, some keys don't necessarily work. Like, this doesn't work, but, you know. So, yeah, just a bit of a discovery and experiment that I was doing just a tad bit because I was working on some stuff. Well, yeah.